Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am making a very tasty and easy Indian style fish fingers recipe in a double marination without using any oil. I'm going to make it in an air fryer, but if you want you can also fry them in some oil. This recipe will give you around 30 pieces of fish fingers, and each serving of 6 pieces has only 186 calories with 8.2 grams of protein, and it contains vitamin D, calcium, iron and potassium. So it is quite healthy for a snack. Let's get started. So for this recipe, we would need around 250 grams of any boneless fish, which I have washed and squeezed off the water. Now we need to cut the fish into finger-long pieces around 1 inch thick. To this add a quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon lime juice and half teaspoon of salt. Then mix it very gently and we will marinate it for around 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare the second marination. For that, in a grinding jar, take half cup of fresh coriander leaves, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon black peppercorns, around 2 pieces of ginger, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 2 green chilies. Now grind these into a nice smooth paste. After the fish has rested for half an hour, we'll add the coriander paste to the fish and then again mix it gently and then marinate it for another 30 minutes. Now for the outer coating of the fish, we need 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg and half cup of plain flour. Now whisk the egg gently. Then take a piece of the fish and coat it with plain flour. This is so that the marination stays intact and seals the moisture in. Now dip this into the egg and then coat it properly with the breadcrumbs. Do this for all the fish pieces. Now at this stage, you can freeze these fish fingers and store it for around a month, and whenever you need it, just pop it into an air fryer or just fry it in some oil. For frying it in an air fryer, we'll first preheat it at 180 degrees for 2 minutes. Then place each fish finger, leaving some space between each piece. Now we're going to fry this for around 8 minutes at 180 degrees. And if you don't have an air fryer, you can just fry them in some oil. The fish fingers are ready and they look so good. They're nice and crispy from the outside and super moist and juicy inside. Do make these spicy and delicious fish fingers and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed my video. If yes, then do hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, then please do. I upload new videos every week. See you soon with another video. Thank you for watching.